Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. As Mother's Day is around the corner, I am going to make another Mother's Day card. For this I have taken yellow color paper, which I am going to fold as shown. Then I have taken a white A4 sheet. Mark and cut as shown. In the same way, we are going to cut two more pieces, and we are going to stick the pieces inside the card. We can write whatever message we want inside. And now to decorate the card, I am going to take a sheet of paper on which I am going to write Happy Mother's Day. We can cut this out. And now using a double-sided tape, we can stick this to the card. This will give a 3D effect to the card. Now I have taken a glitter foam sheet on which I am going to draw 3 hearts, and then I am going to cut it out. In the same way, I am going to use a double-sided tape to stick the hearts to the card. And then I am going to use a golden twine or lace, which I am going to tie it around the card. And that's it, our Mother's Day card is ready. You can see how cute and beautiful it looks. So do try it out this Mother's Day and gift it to your mom. You can write whatever message you want inside. So I hope you all liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.